Have you ever wondered if there is another world that mirrors our own? A world that's similar in every way but with strange differences? A world where there could be a version of you, but their life might be completely different from yours. Have you thought that this might be more than just science fiction? It might actually be real science. These ideas might sound strange, but let me tell you something. What you'll hear today is not just fantasy. It's a scientifically recognized theory. Did you know that there might actually be other universes invisible to us? Universes that might be similar to ours, but with small changes that could change everything? Can you believe that? Do you think there could be another world where time flows differently? Or some events in our world might have ended differently in another universe? What if these parallel worlds are connected? Worlds that we don't yet understand, but that could influence our lives? The theory of parallel universes emerged in modern physics, specifically in string theory and quantum theory. Can you imagine that the universe we live in might just be part of a larger group of universes? What if the universe we live in is not the only one in this infinite space? There could be other universes that are exactly like ours but with small differences. Do you think these universes could affect our lives in some way? Maybe events in another universe might affect our world in a way that we can't see? Could time flow differently in another world? Does that make sense? One of the most important theories supporting the idea of parallel universes is string theory. Do you know that the particles that make up everything in the universe are not just tiny points? They are actually vibrating strings. Did you know that these strings might move in extra dimensions beyond what we can see in our three-dimensional world? What if these extra dimensions explain the existence of parallel universes? In quantum theory, there is a famous concept called quantum superposition. Do you know that particles like electrons can be in more than one place at the same time? How does that happen? Could this phenomenon be related to the existence of parallel universes? What if these particles belong to more than one universe at the same time? Could every choice or event lead to the creation of another version of reality in a parallel dimension? If parallel universes exist, could we ever reach them? Do you think future technology might be able to discover these universes? Maybe, in the near future, we'll be able to travel between universes. Can you believe that? What if some future scientific discoveries could open doors between these parallel worlds? Could we communicate with them? Could there be a way to travel between dimensions someday? Have you ever experienced strange phenomena, like uncanny synchronizations or bad luck that seems to repeat itself in your life? Could these phenomena be caused by overlapping parallel universes? What if certain events happening in a parallel world affect our own world in invisible ways? Could what we go through in our lives be connected to other universes? In recent years, some experiments have been conducted that might provide evidence for parallel universes. Have you heard of the Large Hadron Collider experiment? Did you know that it showed some unexplained signals? Some believe these signals might be due to the influence of parallel universes. Could the complex calculations performed in quantum physics point to the possibility that the particles we observe in our universe might not only exist in our universe but also in multiple universes at once? Some scientists believe that black holes might be gateways to parallel universes. Do you think what happens inside a black hole might be an overlap between universes? Could black holes actually be passages to other worlds? Are we living in parallel universes? Are there other worlds that mirror our own? This question has intrigued scientists and thinkers for decades. Will future research reveal the existence of other universes? Will these discoveries change everything we know about the universe? If this idea has made you rethink the universe we live in, how could we ever know the truth? Could we discover that there are parallel universes? If you think this idea is exciting and important, don't forget to subscribe to Brainy Stories for more incredible stories. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe in parallel universes? And if they exist, do you think we could ever communicate with them? Lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the mysteries of the universe and its hidden phenomena.